In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export trading data from Thinkorswim. To get started, open the Thinkorswim desktop platform and log into your account. For this process, it's important to use the desktop version since it typically offers the most complete export options for trading and account data. Once you're signed in and the platform finishes loading, you'll be ready to find the information you want to save. At the top of the platform, click on the Monitor tab. This is where Thinkorswim organizes account activity, positions, and historical records. After that, open the Account Statements section. Depending on your layout, this may appear as a sidebar item or a subtab. This area is especially useful because it contains a broad range of account information, including order history, trade history, forex activity, and other account transactions. Next, choose the date range for the data you want to export. This step matters because Thinkorswim often shows only recent activity by default. So if you need a wider view, you'll want to expand that range. You can select common options like the last 30 days, the last 90 days, or year to date. If you need something more specific, use a custom date range. Taking a moment here helps make sure your export includes exactly the period you want to analyze later. Once your date range is set, look for the export option. Depending on the version of the platform or your window layout, this may appear as an export to file button, a downward arrow export icon, or inside a menu such as a gear icon or a three-dot menu. When you find it, choose Export to File, and then select CSV as the file format. CSV is usually the best option because it works smoothly with spreadsheet tools and makes sorting, filtering, and reviewing your data much easier. Save the file to a location on your computer where you can find it quickly. After the export is finished, open the CSV file in your preferred spreadsheet program. You can use Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice Calc. Once the file is open, you'll be able to review key details like entry and exit prices, position sizes, profit